Hey there, Tad Hargrave from Marketing for Hippies. So today's video is about this. You're not struggling with marketing. You're struggling with your niche. This is why niching matters so much. When I do my one-on-one puttering sessions, which are getting harder and harder to book because they're selling out faster and faster these days, almost 95%, I would say, of the people who book it, without me prompting, without asking, or suggesting that we talk about niche, actually just say, hey, yeah, the thing I really want to talk about today is my niche. Almost everybody. And so this is just what I know about entrepreneurs in this space. If you're a life coach, you're a healer, holistic practitioner, permaculture person, etc., consultant of some sort, you're not struggling with marketing. You're struggling with your niche. You may think you just don't know enough tactics. You don't have enough strategies to fill your whatever business model you have. You need another click funnel. You need to get better at discovery calls, get better at sales. You need to learn how to do Facebook ads. And all of that might be true. But functionally, you don't need to get better at marketing right away. You need to get better at niching, because niching, having a clear niche, is the thing that's going to make you better at marketing. I've seen this so many times in my live workshops, in my one-on-one, in my 30-day programs. Somebody will be really struggling. Well, I don't know what kind of offers to make, and I don't know where to find these people. But when I say which people, of course, they give me an answer which translates into everybody. Oh, well, people who are stressed, people who are going through a big transition, people who are really ready to do the work. So kind of translation, nobody, everybody. It's too broad. So you're not struggling with your marketing, you're struggling with your niche. As soon as the niche gets clear, once that gets really honed, it's easy to come up with packages. It's easy to figure out the hubs. All these other fundamentals come into place. There's 5 fundamentals in my mind in marketing. Number 1, there's just this kind of marketing 101. You've got to learn an approach to marketing that could feel good. Number 2, there's niching. Number 3, there's point of view marketing. Number 4, there's business model. Number 5, there's hub marketing. But until you get that step 2, the figuring out the niche, it's actually hard to really make the marketing feel good, because marketing feeling good is about going for the truth of if it's a fit or not. It's not going for the sale, it's going for the truth. But wait, the truth of if it's a fit, but if you don't have a niche, you'll never know if it's a fit. You can't do the point of view marketing without the niche, because your niche, if you're making a product, is your, point of view marketing with that is saying, here's my take on how you should make this product, the proper way to make the product. And for a service, it's here's my take on the best way to get from island A to island B, from the problem to the result. And with the business model, of course, and coming up with offers, well, offers for whom? Who the hell are we talking about anyways? And then hub marketing. How do you make it easy for your ideal clients to find you? Well, that depends who they are. So you don't struggle with marketing as much as you think you do. You struggle with your niche. Once the niche gets clear, all the rest of it will get clear too. If you'd like help with your niche, there's a number of things. First of all, go to marketingforhippies.com/steps, and you'll see step 2 is niching. And there's a ton of resources there. It'll guide you the next step in figuring out your niche. And I also offer a niche review where you can send me your best iteration of your niche. I'll give you feedback. You can book a puttering session one-on-one, and we can talk about your niche for an hour, very in depth. And there's also, I don't know how long this will be up, so don't be mad at me if you go and it's been taken down. But as of the end of January of 2022, it's still up. And this is my puttering prep. So go to marketingforhippies.com/puttering prep. And these are all the exercises that I most commonly use to help people figure out their niche in the puttering sessions that I do. It's the kind of prep work that I'm asking people to do these days. So there you go. There's a little bit of help on your niche, and I hope you'll dig into that, because I think you'll find it makes all the difference in the world. And hopefully I'll see you at a program down the road somewhere. If you want more videos, you just hit the red subscribe button and the little bell icon. You can follow me on Instagram, Marketing for Hippies, and you can get on my email list as well at marketingforhippies.com. Thank you so much to everyone, by the way, who shares my posts, whether it's on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook, who's been liking them, commenting on them. It makes a big, big, big difference for the algorithm. If people engage with it, it actually shows it to more people. And thank you so much.